Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades. This is a 22 Ridgeline. You need a 26A for the driver's side, you need a 24A for the passenger side. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver, and then I also have a roll of shop towels there. Those are both optional, but I think they're both helpful. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the driver's side. I'm going to go ahead and put my paper towels here in the event that once I take this off and it slaps down there, it won't damage the windshield. On these Ridgelines, this right here is a little tab. You just want to pry up like that, and then this will come down like so and out. So basically, this tab right here, pop that up, and then out and down. Here's my new one. These Bosches are a little bit different than the OEM, but the process is still the same. Put that through here, and then there's a little hook. It just goes around, flip that in. That's it. Okay, so passenger side, same thing. I got my paper towels here. I'm just gonna pop this tab up, pop that tab up, twist this, and then down. And here is the new one. Slide that through, up, pop that down. You're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.